Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications when the new video is uploaded. Guys, Valentine's Day is around the corner. How can we just ignore it? Here is a quick recipe to impress your loved ones. I have made this cake with minimum ingredients so that it's easy for you guys to make. 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Stir it well with a fork. Add 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of oil or butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Mix it well. Make sure that the consistency looks like this. Now let's bake it. Microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. And our cake is getting ready. After 1 minute 30 seconds, take out the cake. You can check whether it's cooked or not by poking in a fork. You can see how spongy our cake has turned around. So surprise your loved ones with this 2-minute easy vanilla mug cake. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.